I'm the program leader at Kalakaua All-Stars. In today's episode, we'll be making an origami crane. Here's what you'll need for this video. You're going to need an open space, a table or the floor, a piece of paper, white is fine. If you can find origami paper, that's also fine. And scissors. These are optional if you don't have origami paper. The first thing we'll be doing is prepping our paper. For the origami crane, you'll need a square piece of paper. If you have white lined or construction paper, please follow these instructions. So you're going to take your right hand corner and fold it to the left side. And you're gonna crease it. So it should look like this to you. And then you're going to take this leftover paper and fold it up. Make sure to crease so it's like this. So now you should have something like this. You're going to open this back down and this back up. And we're going to take your scissors, be careful with them, and you're going to cut this horizontal line. Square. So now that you have a square piece of paper, you can begin. So you're going to take the top right corner and fold it down to the bottom left. So you should have a triangle. And we're going to do it again. We're going to take the right corner and take it to the left. To make another triangle. Doing it one more time to make our last triangle. Don't forget to crease. Creasing is important. We're going to open it back up to our second largest triangle we made. And if you need to pause the video at any time, you can do that. Should look like this. So there should be 2 flaps on the bottom of your paper. Make sure there are 2. You're going to open this flap and take this right corner and bring it to the left corner. So it should open. And you crease it down. Look like this. And then there should be a flap in the middle. We're going to take this right middle corner and take it to the right top corner. So it looks like this now. We're going to do the step again and open this flap up. Take the right corner to the left. Take this flap on the top to this corner right here. So you should have a square. So make sure the open ends are on the bottom when you do this part. And we're going to take our right edge and fold it to the middle crease. Should look like this for you. And we're going to do the same thing for the left edge. We're going to put it to the middle. And you're going to do that front and back. Just so you guys know, the crane is a symbol of long life and good luck. So this is why a lot of people, when sick in Japan, they're given paper cranes so they can get better very, very soon. So we're gonna take the top part and fold it down. Either side is fine. And then you're going to open this up so you see these creases. And you're gonna take this top flap, follow the creases and open it up. You're gonna fold these edges down and just follow the creases. Don't be scared. So you should have something like this. You're gonna flip it on the back side and you're gonna do the same thing. So open this up, take the top flap, follow the crease. And if you need to pause the video at any time, please do to catch up. So it should look like this now. I'm going to take this right edge and bring it to the center again. And fold it. And we're going to do the same thing on the left side. Take it to the middle and fold. And we're going to do it front and back. And don't rush because origami is meant to ease the mind. So if you're having a hard time, you can pause the video, start again. Don't worry about it. Okay. So for this next step, you're going to take this right corner and this and put it in, meet in the middle, crease it, turn it to the back and do the same thing. So take the right and left, bring it together to the middle. We're almost to the end, so don't worry. We're gonna take these bottom flaps and do you guys see the crease in the middle? We're gonna fold it up like that. You're gonna do that to the same. We're gonna do the same thing at the back. Take this right corner and this left corner again, and bring it to the middle. Flip it over. Do the same thing. Okay, so it should look like this now. And you're gonna take the right side, and you're going to meet in the middle. Don't forget to crease. Turn it to the back. Again, your right corner and your left corner. Meet it in the middle and crease that bad boy up too. There should be two flaps, and you're going to pull them out so they look like wings. To make the head, all you're going to do is fold it down. That's your origami crate. Thanks for watching and being part of our After School All-Stars Hawaii Ohana. If you're joining us on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Please also follow at All-Stars Hawaii on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to connect with us. We hope you share this video or leave us a comment about what you liked and what you want to see next. Bye!